Namaste. I am welcome to official YouTube channel of ITI Malambura. If you seen this channel in first, you must subscribe this channel by way of touching subscribe button. I am Bhavadasan N, Senior Instructor of ITI Malambura in the trade of stenographer and secretarial assistant English. For any other information about this topic, referred the books of Nimi Chennai, second semester of SSA Trade. First, we have to discuss about an office. What is an office? Where is the office situated? What business is to be done in an office? At the end of this lesson, you shall be able to define an office, important of an office, list the various department of an office. In simple, office means is place where office works is performed, like making records, using records, preserving records, is important documents belonging to all office. Below, simple definition of an office. According to Arthur H. Geiger, office management is the function of administering the communication and record service of an organization. Important of an office. Office and information center. All information available from this place relating to the business of that organization. Channel of communication. Receiving and giving communication is done in this place. Aids in coordination. Coordination is to be done in this place. Aids in managerial control. All managerial control situated in this place of an organization. Importance in relation to customers. We must keep good relation with the customer of concerned organization. Importance in relation to government and general public. Keeping good relation with the government and general public. Importance vis-a-vis shareholders and creditors. Keeping good relation with the shareholders and creditors. Importance vis-a-vis workers. Office must keep good relation with their employee. Department of office. Finance department. The part of an organization that manages it may planning, auditing, etc. Accounts department. The main duty of account department preparing financial statement, payroll, pay bill, cost accounting, etc. Advertising and publicity department. It helps the organization promotion of the business. Export and import department. Exporting means goods and services which are produced in country and purchased in another country. Excise department. This department maintaining of taxes, levy, etc. Store department relating stock of raw materials, stationeries, etc. Production department. This department maintaining machine setup, machines operation, etc. Personnel department. It deal with all matters includes recruitment, appointment and promotion of employee. Purchase department. It deals with all purchases relating concerned business. Sales department. It deals with sales of production of concerned organization. Research and development department. Research and development department help direct and provide essential information and ideas. It supports decision making of concerned business. Thank you.